Hey guys, I'm back, and as a VIP, I must add. So I'm Tiara, if you guys forgot, but my Movistar Planets account name is Layla MSP711. So if you want to go friend me, I will kindly accept your friend request. So today we are doing a mail time. I said something a while ago. I was doing mail time, and I got tons of gifts. So as we can see. There is two pages right here, but I don't know the rest. So let's look at the gifts. Oh, I wanted that animation, but I was like, I'm not gonna buy it. Ooh, thank you. That skirt is very shiny and it's black. Okay, this one. Oh, I'm not edgy, but thank you for that. It's cute. Ooh, I like that. It doesn't say edgy on it. It's just a black top. Ooh, I like it. It's very ombre. Oh, thank you for that hair. Um, Beautiful Kaylee, thank you for this. Thank you for that black top. Sorry. Ooh, thank you. I just opened that by accident, but thank you. If I'm not mistaken, those are rares, but if I am, tell me. Ooh, with sprinkles. I always love those. I believe in my last mail time I said with sparkles. I am sorry for that. My friends were like, it says sprinkles. Ooh, thank you for that tiara. I love tiaras. Ooh, more gifts from beautiful Kaylee. I think that's your name, right? Yeah, Kaylee or Kayleigh. I think it's Kaylee. Thank you for that skirt and thank you for those pants. I just, oh, I hate it when that happens with gifts. Well, I'll look to see what something blue was, shall I? Oh wait, okay, I think I know. She bought something on my wish list. I got she gave me jean shorts. Ooh, thank you. I didn't feel like buying that myself. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, those are so cute. Ooh, thank you. Ooh, thanks. Ooh, that purple top is amazing. Oh, I wanted that. Okay, so thank you to beautiful Kaylee, for giving me all those gifts. They were amazing. This is amazing right now. Ooh, an animation. Another animation. Gotta go back. Thank you for the animations amazing right now. I love animations. Ooh, those are cute. Like Dorothy from the Wizard of Oz. But if you guys want to give me anything, give me hairs or animations. Mostly animations. Ooh, that's cute. And it's white. Ooh, I'm putting that on. It's a very cute choker. Ooh, well, Mr. Chicken's gonna be my best friend now, right now. Thank you for that beautiful dress. I can't talk that. Ooh, thank you for that. I'm so swift up though. Like, dude. Ooh, thank you for that in the middle. Baby! Ooh, thank you. Now it's stuck in my head. But oh, you just put me thank you for that plaid dress. I'm losing my mind, you're so little. Thank you for giving me those diamondback shoes. Ooh, thank you for those bottoms. So those were all amazing right now. Now we're on to, I think, Cotton Candy Games XOXO. Ooh, those are cute. Oh, you gave me sleek back hair. Thank you. Put that on. Ooh, thank you. Haley actually has that. Ooh, those are cute. Ooh, thank you. Ooh, I have that already, but thank you. I always love it. Ooh, thank you for those boots. They're adorable. Ooh, thank you for the headband. So that was all from Cotton Candy Games XOXO. Thank you guys. This is Hey I Am slash Hey I'm a Backup slash. Ooh, glasses. Oh, that skirt's very cute. Thank you. Ooh. Ooh, thank you for that sleek back hair. How do you guys know those are my favorites? Ooh, wait. Yeah. Ooh, thank you for that reindeer onesie. And this is with my sleigh. I thought it was so amazing. Ooh, thank you for that black bun. So that was all. Hey, my backup. Ooh, that's so rare if I'm pretty sure. So that's from Online Nicole, and those were all from Hey, my backup. So Online Nicole, I was talking while I accidentally opened it, but thank you for that. Ooh, thank you for that like mermaid hair almost. Ooh, I'm pretty sure that's the rare as well. Thank you for these rares online. Oh, I'm saying online, but it's Ollie Nicole. That's another one. Oh, guys, we're reeling to the end, but I love all the presents so far. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, there's some VIP fuzzy sandals. Ooh, lashes! Yes, the Ollie. I have one of those in brown, and I love it so much. Let's put this on. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, you give me a hat. I have like 5 of these now. Thank you for the shoes. Ooh, that's very cute. I love my outfit right now. Ooh, that white sweater is bae. Ooh, you just give me rare dicky shoes. Oh, you put this on my wish list. Thank you. So guys, that is the end of the video. I will be posting more again. Thank you for everyone who gave me gifts. I counted myself actually, there was 50 of them, so thank you all who gave me gifts. I'll see you next Saturday or next Friday. And peace.
a bad reputation in my neighborhood. You drive me mad with temptation, cause it tastes so good. You know I wouldn't walk away, even if I could. It took one night, one try, hey. I'm hooked. You were there when I was low, you held me high. And baby, when you take control, we can go all night. Every single place we go, you start a fight, but then you kiss my neck and take a bite. Everybody says I'm sleeping with the enemy. I don't even care if you're gonna be the death of me. You got a bad reputation in my neighborhood. You drive me mad with temptation, cause it tastes so good. You know I wouldn't walk away, even if I could. It took one night, one try, hey. I'm hooked. Touch, but you twist my arm, cause I can never get enough once the feeling starts. Baby, I'm the gasoline and your kiss is the spark, but then you take the wheel and crash my car. Everybody says I'm sleeping with the enemy. I don't even care if you're gonna be the death of me. You got a bad reputation in my neighborhood. You drive me mad with temptation, cause it tastes so good. You know I wouldn't walk away, even if I could. It took one night, one try, hey. I'm hooked. In my neighborhood, you drive me mad with temptation, cause it tastes